The design of the apartment was all about containing the amenities for life to the smallest possible area to provide a bigger space for living. The apartment's located in a building called Barnard, which is an Art Deco 1920s heritage listed property. There's 27 units in this block. I first moved into this apartment at the beginning of 2014. When I got the apartment, there was a little kitchen in its own separate nook. We decided it would be a good idea to put the kitchen in the living space and a bedroom where the kitchen was. The apartment was really designed for two people, so the idea was that it would function like a one-bedroom apartment. So the bedroom can be completely closed off. We have this little pocket window integrated into the storage wall. So the idea is when you walk in the front door and that window's open, you can still see out to the view, and the apartment's significantly wider than just the width of the living space. We built the bedroom on a platform to delineate the space between the living and the sleeping area. That also allowed us to get plumbing to where it needed to go and install some shoe drawers. There's storage underneath the bed, there's storage on top of the bed, and there's a little recessed shelf which acts as a bedside table and has lights and power points. And those windows, along with the windows in the living space, were left in their original condition, so the external facade remains untouched. Below the TV there's a little desk which can fold up and allows you to use the TV as a second monitor. And we included a 24-bottle wine storage cupboard. So we didn't want the kitchen to feel like a kitchen. We hid all the appliances, including the oven, behind a little pocket door. We put a drying rack above the sink so that you can put your dishes away to dry. We've got a blade wall which is made out of joinery and integrates a spice rack on the kitchen side. And as you come into the apartment, that's got the intercom hidden away inside it, a little key shelf to put stuff on. So we completely hid the bathroom behind one of the sliding doors on the main wall. When we first got it, there was a massive bath, which we ripped out and was replaced with a shower and a washing machine. Good design is not only about making a smaller footprint work harder, but it's also creating a really great quality of life and a sense of luxury in a tighter space. And inevitably that provides sustainable solutions for our cities.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Never Too Small channel by clicking on the logo and the notification bell to receive updates on our latest episode.